quiet afternoon in East Falls, officers were dispatched to a residence following reports of heavy smoke coming from a single-family home. What they discovered inside would forever change the lives of everyone involved.
Oh, really? Hey! Hey! I need a medic! Medic! Now! Now! They need a medic! 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 Now! Get off the fucking hydrant!
Upon arrival, emergency responders forced their way into the home, where thick smoke made visibility nearly impossible.
Yeah, we're on scene. Fires here. I guess someone pulled out one person so far. It sounds like there's not a bunch of flames, there's just a ton of smoke coming out of the house here. It's about to start flamming up here.
That's hard. Kid isn't down.
No, I mean, it doesn't seem like anything's going on.
There's a kid.
There's a kid in the med unit? In the home?
No. Probably like
Also,
9.
just said there was a younger kid in the med unit, probably 8 or 9. Right now, I don't know if they're transported right now or not. There's more people inside.
They don't know.
But nobody knows if there's more people.
Inside, they found 2 unresponsive children, an 8-year-old girl and a 10-year-old boy. There were no adults at the scene.
He said, find someone to see what we need to do.
Yeah.
And then tell them that Sergeant.
No, I'm not opening. I'm gonna talk to you.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say we should probably.
Side down.
I'm just gonna keep an eye on these people over here and these people. Anything?
He says he doesn't really know exactly what's going on. There's supposed to be 3 to 4 kids that live here. They've only found 1.
Oh shit! All right. Fuck man, this smoke is heavy too. He wasn't burnt?
No, it's
The smoke inhalation. Yeah.
It did not.
Yeah. I'm gonna back the car up a little bit. Whoa.
Officers canvassed the neighborhood, asking nearby residents if they knew who lived in the home. Neighbors shared that a woman and her 2 or 3 kids had moved in about a year ago, but no one had contact information for her.
Do you guys have any information on people who live here?
Yes,
The adults?
It's one lady, but her usually have a white car, but she's not here now.
Okay. Do you guys have a phone number for her?
No, that's what we're saying. We don't have a phone number.
Do you guys know names?
No.
Last names, anything like that? No?
She's an African lady.
Okay.
Yeah. And she usually have 2 or 3 kids there. That's what I'm saying. That's what the guy asked me. So I found 2. I don't know if she's double them.
Okay. They recently moved in here?
About a year ago.
About a year ago? Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
Eventually, officers were able to reach the mother. She had been at work and arrived at the scene nearly 20 minutes later.
Can you start the 56 and call 9 at 255 East Albert Falls Avenue? Okay, copy. I'll put you on a call.
Just the 2 children. We're at the hospital.
How many children were home?
2
children were home, huh?
Just 2? How old are they?
87. 87.
Something 11.
We'll get you down there soon.
Thanks,
We'll get you down to the hospital.
Ma'am, how old are your children? Ma'am, we need to know how old your children are.
Are there other kids with it?
We'll find that out. If need be, if someone takes it out, I'll bring it to you.
Let's figure out how old the kids are.
anyone with the victim, well...
We're going to put you on the cot. We're going to take you down.
Car 4.
Right here. Chief, you
Can
want
I
the
have the
cot?
What are they in? 6 today? Mason? It's the white one on the cot.
In 56, be advised there's no supervisor currently available.
We're going to put her on the okay. Ma'am, do you want to take a seat over here on the cot?
We're going to take you down.
Be safe. Come on. We will. We're going to. That's how they're going to do it. You're not supposed to drive on right now. She's driving, so somebody needs to make sure we're handling it now. She's There's this. Is your phone in there? Or is it in the car?
How many children were in there? 2. How old were they?
Where's my phone?
Ma'am,
I don't have my phone.
we need to know how old the children were.
I'll get your phone. Is it in your car? I'll get your phone. Talk to him,
It's
okay?
in a white car.
Okay, talk to him. I'll get your phone.
I sent him down there.
I'm going to bring the car up.
Copy.
Ma'am, how many children do you have? Just the 2?
8 and 10.
There's no other kids that weren't here? No other kids that weren't here?
That's the case.
This is my phone.
We're bringing it up right now.
Well, I don't know. She doesn't need to necessarily go to the city. She needs to go where the kids are.
Yeah.
What's that?
There are some guys that will tell you more. Thank you, brother. Okay. I'll take the keys. She's not going to have you back.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. You doesn't want to go hospital?
She will be. Because I think his sister's coming here. Medwagon, probably.
But, hey, we're just going to go ask the chief if he wants us to just take her down the kids.
She wants the phone?
I bet that's probably what
I think
happened.
that's where he
Ma'am,
wants
is there
to
anybody
go.
you'd like us to call?
We're
She
obviously
needs to
not
go.
going to let her drive.
Is there anybody you want us to call, ma'am? Your husband?
I don't know if you guys have 1 or 2 to ride in the back with us. I'm sure that's going to be what the game plan is. If not, maybe we can transport, right?
We're going to get you on the way to Children's Hospital. If you get up on that cot, they're going to take you right over, okay? Let's help you up onto this Get you over. We're going to get you to the
Any county area 1027 Yale and Paris District for the trans.
You want to go down, Jason, or you guys in?
Met 4.
Sarge. You just follow down. You guys want someone to ride with? I'm going to drive her car down following. We could probably arrange for somebody to do what you guys if you guys want it.
If we need it.
Okay.
All right. Very well.
The mother was transported to the hospital where both of her children had been taken. There she received the heartbreaking news. Both her son and daughter had succumbed to smoke inhalation and were pronounced dead. During the investigation, it was revealed that the mother had called her children out of school and left them alone in the locked house for over 9 hours while she went to work. Both children had severe developmental disabilities, meaning they lacked the ability to respond appropriately in emergencies. The mother was initially charged with 2 counts of reckless homicide and 2 counts of child endangerment. The homicide charges were later dropped, and she ultimately pleaded guilty to involuntary manslaughter and child endangerment. She was sentenced to 6 to 9 years in prison,